Understanding after the break in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, after the break. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in. After the break is a phrase used to indicate a pause or interruption in an event, broadcast, or activity, followed by a continuation. It's often used in TV shows, radio programs, or events where there is a temporary stop for commercials, intermissions, or breaks. In the context of media, after the break signals that the program will continue following a commercial break. This is a common phrase used by hosts or announcers to keep the audience engaged, informing them that more content is coming up after the commercials. Apart from media, this phrase can be used in everyday scenarios. For example, in a meeting or class, someone might say, "We will discuss this topic after the break," implying that the topic will be addressed following a pause or recess. There are variations of this phrase like, after a short break, or after the interval, which all carry a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. And that's a wrap on After the Break. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.